Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage and sausage only way. Start by prepping all ingredients so everything cooks smoothly. Chop the cabbage, slice sausage, and measure spices. Heat your pan properly. Brown the sausage to develop flavor, then add aromatics and cabbage in stages. I will guide you through timing, seasoning, and simple tips to keep cabbage tender while sausage stays juicy, making a hearty meal anyone can master. Gather your ingredients and organize them for smooth workflow. Slice the sausage into even pieces and shred the cabbage uniformly so both cook at the same rate. Chop 1 onion and mince garlic if using, and measure a ½ cup of broth or water to add moisture. Having everything ready prevents overcooking and lets you focus on building flavor with browning, deglazing, and a final seasoning check before serving. Heat a large skillet and brown the sausage to get good caramelization, then remove a few pieces if the pan is crowded. Sauté onion and garlic in the rendered fat, add cabbage in batches to maintain heat, and season as you go. Return the sausage, splash in about ½ cup of broth, cover briefly, and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes until cabbage is tender yet still vibrant. Finish with a final seasoning check and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.